What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing something different. You know what I mean? You know how I always say, today we're gonna be doing something different. But yeah, so today, what we got plans for right now, I'm in the Z. Last video was me working on the hatch. I'm in the Z right now. I'm actually not doing any work on one of my cars. So today we're gonna be working on my brother's car. So right now he has coilovers that he wants to put on his car. So I'm gonna be putting them on his car. Then, you know, doing the ride height, doing everything for his Civic. I mean, not Civic, he got an Accord. His Accord. So what we're gonna be doing is taking off his old suspension and putting on a new one. Now, if you don't know what coilovers are, it's adjustable suspension. You can adjust the ride height, you can bring it up or down manually. So that's what we're gonna be doing to his car. He's been wanting it for a long time. He's gonna do the coilovers first, and then later on he's probably gonna get wheels, and maybe I'll be the one to put wheels. Let's see. So that's what we got plans for today, and I don't know exactly what's gonna go on the rest of the week. Maybe I might go to a car meet, show you guys something. But so what you guys about to see right now is me washing my car first. So got the car all washed up. Now I just need to dry it off now. Put some tire shine, a little something. What is good, y'all? So as you seen in that last clip, I got done finishing and cleaning my car. Now I'm about to start with this. I know I should have shown me getting the wheel off and all that, but I just said fuck it. I guess you guys probably don't want to see this whole pouring process, so we'll just take all of them out and then show you guys when I drop the car. Alright. So one side is out. One side is out. Here's the old. Here's the box. Here's the wrenches for it for adjustment. Don't know what that is. There's a sticker. Some paper. Right, let's see which one. Oh, I just ripped the whole box. Just so you guys can see. Some true hard coilovers. So the front should be in the bottom probably, but it's really not that hard. Just pretty much taking stuff off, put it back together. I just feel like the rears is always hard on Honda, so we'll see about that when we get there. Oh yeah, this is right. Okay, but what's these extra bolts for? That's the real question. Not sure what these extra bolts are. Alright, so figured out where those extra holes go. I guess they were just covered. I guess these are for in case you want to run what is it called? Strut bar, I guess. So you got mounting location for a strut bar as well. So I just gotta peel this away, and there you go. So y'all, I did one side. Look, there's my brother right there. Yeah, say what up. But yo, we did one side. Look how fucking dumb this shit is. I told her, I was like, yo, you ain't gonna be able to drive like that. I couldn't even get my jack out of there. Nah, but it looks clean though. With a set of 3-piece wheels, man. That shit was sick. That shit is sick. That shit's lower than mine. Damn. Look, compared to the Z, that shit is crazy dumb. What the fuck? I messed up your fender. You gotta clean your thing, but yeah. So I'm pretty sure once we get that side done, it should even out a little bit here. If not, we might have to raise it if it starts rubbing on the fender liner. But he probably can drive like this. I don't know. But you're gonna have to learn how to drive a lower car, buddy. Cause if not, it's not. Look, I already see. Look at this. I'm gonna expose you right now on camera too. Look at this. What is that? His front lip look crazy.
Why you expose me like that?
Yeah, had to expose you, but all right, I'm gonna skip to when I finish all around the car, and then get you I'm about to get you some cinematic shots of your car. But yeah, what is good, guys? So I'm back. This is pretty much the finished product. I had to raise up the front a little bit, like a whole inch, because it was like dumped down to the ground. But here's the rear. Here's the front. It looks nice. Now what I think he needs is actually some 20s actually, like 20, 21 wheels, and it'll probably sit up a little bit off the ground. Right now it's on 16, so that's probably why it's so low. But also I'm installing a little spoiler lip for his car, and that's pretty much it. Alright, what is good, guys? So as you can see behind me, there's the car. I finished all 4 sides of the car, and he got the little spoiler. I know I just showed you guys that, but he's washing the car right now. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's sick, man.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, heck yeah.
You like how low it is?
I mean, to me it's like,
this thing is dumb. And the thing is, guys, this guy doesn't even drive lower cars. This is the first time driving a lower car daily. I told him, you sure you want it, you don't want it higher up? But I don't know, he said he still wanted it like that, so hey, that's what he wants, but yeah. So I don't know what's gonna happen in the next clip, but might go to a car meet maybe this weekend or whatnot. If not, then you'll probably see an outro to this video. But yeah, I'll give you some cinematic shots of him washing his car, and that way it looks clean though. It looks clean. What is good, guys? So almost forgot to film an outro to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me installing coilovers on my brother's car. I know it wasn't really much content, but hey, at least it's something. But I promise next video will definitely be way better. I have something in store for you guys, so just keep posted. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos. So I'll see you guys soon.